You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So we are getting this morning routine popping off rip. I'm going with my water pick. I love a water pick. I'm obsessed now. If you watch my vlogs, you know I bought this a while back. Here's an update. I love it. But you have to still floss after you use the water pick. Please remember that. And then I like to goggle with a little bit of peroxide and water. Makes me feel like I just left the dentist. And then I start brushing my teeth. I have about 3 different electric toothbrush, so honestly, use which one you like. I like to use Pronamel toothpaste though. I love that. So then I'm going in to cleanse my face. I have been loving the Dr. Dennis Gross products. They are so good. The cleanser, it really cleanses really well, but it doesn't strip my skin, so I love it. It works amazing. And then I like to go in with their extra strength daily peel pads. Y'all, these are a game changer. I highly recommend. They have some that aren't extra strength, so if you want like the regular ones, you can get that as well. But these daily pads really have your skin feeling silky smooth every single day. It like gets rid of the top layer of skin or something. I don't know, it's not like an intense chemical peel, but it is such a good product, and it's simple. All you do is add the first pad, let it sit for 2 minutes. As you can see, I put my Vaseline on while I was waiting, then open the second pad and apply that, and you're pretty much done. The next thing you have to do is just add a moisturizer and you're good to go.
Talking about that real life, holding on cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life. Real life. Talking about that.
My favorite part of the morning is the shower. Without a shower, I'm not waking up, okay? So I have my Rain Bath by Neutrogena. This is a very fresh scent, and y'all know I use my African sponge. Been using it and gonna continue to use it because it just works for me. And I just love that it can get your back so easily. I love that. So I like to go in with my honey fur. I know y'all heard about honey pot. I actually couldn't find honey pot one day, and my mom had this, and I'm obsessed with it, honestly. Look at that lather, y'all. It's so bomb, and that was just one pump. So after the shower, of course, head over to my closet. I do have a very organized closet, and I really do like that. It does keep me a little organized in this department if I can manage to wash my clothes. Y'all know how that be. I really hate washing clothes. Like, I really wish I could just hire that wash and fold service. But anywho, we'll see, maybe later. But yeah, so I'm about to work out. So I was like, let's just go ahead and throw some workout clothes on. And I have been hanging my workout clothes up, which has really, I don't know, I like it. I'm going to just say I really like hanging up my workout clothes now. So I'm about to do my hair, but first I wanted to go ahead and put this Mighty Patch over one of my pimples because I will sit there and pick on it, and putting that on there really helps. So I had already did this style already, but I was redoing it for TikTok and was like, let me just hit the record button so y'all can take a little looky look to it what I'm doing with my hair. But I really just slapped some Shine and Jam on there, brush it back. Those 2 pieces that you see in the front, it's just a feed in, and I just feeded it in until my hair was done, and then I just put a flexi rod. Y'all see me put a flexi rod on it, and then I dip it in hot water, and that's how I get the curls in the front. But I'm just cleaning up my edges. I just felt like this is a really easy style to do. Like, it's a protective style, but it's also super cute and sleek. All I did was blow out my hair, but if you don't want to blow out your hair, you don't have to do that either. So as you can see, I put some Got2b spray on there, and then I decided to go ahead and diffuse the edges to dry them up and then tie them back a little bit. That's super hot water. Look at that. You can just look at that. I just thought that was super cute. I put the braided ponytail in a bun, and yeah, we're done. And that was super cute. And now we're gonna make up the bed because it's time. But my room, y'all know my room is super dark. I don't have a bunch of light in my room. Like, I could add additional lighting, but I really like how dark my room is. I don't want to be in this room during the daytime, and I feel like if it's bright, I'm gonna want to do work in here. So I like to keep it dark.
Focus no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose, then get sad about it. Just know it's gonna go away. As blue.
All right, so now I'm gonna head downstairs and get me some iced coffee. Y'all know I love the Starbucks with the caramel macchiato. It just tastes so good. I don't know. I've tried other stuff and I just keep going back to this. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I do need to fix that lid though, cause it do that and it's gonna drop into my next drink. I just know it. All right, so now it's time to get some work done, and I had to clean my desk up because, I mean, I work every day, so it gets kind of messy every day. But I like to start my day by doing a little bit of planning. You guys know I use GoodNotes, and I like to use my print stick planner. I will link it below in the description bar if you guys are interested. I've been using the same planner for years. Then I go on YouTube and check out like what my videos have, the comments, all that good stuff. And then it's time to start the workout. So I like to start off with a pre-workout. This is gonna get me pumped, get me going. I use the Body by Rachel's workout plan. You guys should know this by now. I've talked about it so much. I will link that in the description bar as well. But actually, I forgot they changed the name to Move With Us. But yeah, that's the program. I will link it below. I like to go around and open my blinds and just continue to be on Instagram a little bit while I'm shaking my pre-workout. And then while I'm drinking my pre-workout, I like to stretch, y'all. Stretching is so important. So I've just been making sure that I stretch and give myself this time.
You were just lost, but now you're found, and you realize it wasn't at all like what you created in your mind.
After my workout, I go ahead and end it with a little bit of a protein shake, and that's pretty much it for my morning routine. All I do now is try to like wind down just a little bit before I really get going in the day. So I'll watch a little bit of Netflix and play with Sky a little bit, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you like this morning routine, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
But you know it won't take you far, and you know that, sweetie, you know that, and you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sort of hurt